Uncle Chris smells so good. Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. Today we have a mini food pantry haul distribution. All right, we're doing things a little bit different. And this has been donated by Miss Bea, who we are very grateful for. Say hello, Miss Bea.
Hello, everyone.
All right. Now, I'm going to start left to right. Nina, get out the way. We got some tomatoes here. We got 4 tomatoes, which I'm going to use to make a sauce. We got some mustard greens right here. I'm going to add those into my collard greens. We got 3 boxes of Hungry Jack. What's this? No, the instant mashed potatoes. Hungry Jack, Best Buy in Idaho. Not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, they know where to find me. Now, we got some of this beef stew. A lot of people don't like this, but I tell you what, I found out if you touch this up, it makes excellent shepherd's pie. Yes, yes. Over here, we got some rockfish fillets. Delicious. A whole chicken. Some diced tomatoes. She did some homemade chicken broth in here. I'm going to keep that. We have a mound of macaroni and cheese pasta. We have this is some type of, turmeric and ginger tea, I believe. I got to try that. I'm going to see how that comes out. Matcha, yeah. Some sweet potatoes, peanut butter, manwich, which always comes in handy for the kids. We got some pinto beans. I can make refried beans with that. Do you know we got fruit cocktail? Now, do you know what Miss Bea's mom used to do? She used to make fruit cocktail pie. Yes. We're going to get her to do that on camera. We got some corn, no salt added. Now, you know Uncle Chris loves that. More peanut butter. Some pork in a can. This makes the most excellent casseroles of your life.
Or pork balls.
Or pork balls. Now, Miss B, you going to show us how to make pork balls?
Yeah, I'll show you.
All right. We got some chicken noodle soup, cheese soup, which would be great in macaroni and cheese.
Yes.
We got vegetable, cream of chicken, some cut green beans. Ooh, pears. I am going to use this to make a smoothie. That's great. Look, we got assorted nuts here. Walnuts. Now, the majority of this food I am not going to keep because there's a lady that has come to my attention today that needs some food and she cannot get out. So I'm going to deliver that to her and you'll see that. Okay? All right, y'all. We're going. Yes, you have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to make a food delivery box for that lady and we'll be right there. And you'll be along with us for the ride. Okay?